Hi, my name is Rosanna. I am currently in my third year studying a PhD in chemistry. I got completely hooked on chemistry when I was doing my undergraduate here at the University of Canterbury. I did a double major in chemistry and biochem, and I'm just following on with my PhD. So for my PhD, I'm looking at designing molecules which are known as spin crossover compounds. So these compounds are really interesting in the fact that they can change their physical properties in response to the environment that they're in. So for example, the compounds I'm working with will change colour depending on what temperature they are at. They often go from an orange colour to a dark purple when you cool them down. You can also look at different magnetic properties with these systems as well. So my PhD is looking at trying to create chemosensors out of these molecules, so using these types of molecules to be able to detect different compounds in the environment. Looking at detecting things like nitrates and phosphates in waterways, for example. So as part of my PhD, I do a lot of synthetic work. So I'm up on the 8th floor of the Rutherford building. I work in a lab up there where I create all of my different kinds of compounds. And then I do a lot of analysis work on those same compounds. So here we have a brand new X-ray machine, which actually allows us to see the molecular structure of the compounds that we make, along with I use some of our other equipment here in order to analyse our compounds, like the NMR machine and the mass spec machine. So the X-ray diffractometer machine we use to determine the three-dimensional structure of the compounds that we've made. The mass spectrometer we use to determine the mass of the compounds that we've made. And the nuclear magnetic resonance machine, or NMR machine, we use to determine the different proton environments within our organic molecules. I have about a year left in my PhD, and at the end of it I hope to have created some chemosensors that can be used for a wide range of applications, such as being used to detect anions in waterways, or even potentially in forensics and medicinal uses as well. My PhD has been really rewarding in the fact that I've been able to make compounds which have never been made before, and I've been able to analyse them using all of the equipment here. And at the end of my PhD, I hope to have created some really cool new compounds which will have real-world applications. I really enjoy chemistry for its diverse nature. There's pretty much anything you can study, particularly at the University of Canterbury. There are lots of people in this department working on lots of completely different things. So if you want to give it a try, I would highly recommend it.